Okay, for mounting your samples to do a measurement, you need to use a sample card like this, and the sample will mount here on the bottom. This sample is a Van der Pol sample, so it has 4 wires attached to it and soldered to the card for doing the measurement. The sample will mount in the sample module here, and so this is the sample module, light tight box, and the sample ultimately will reside down here in the magnetic field. So these 2 pins unscrew, lock this in place, and it comes out. This also provides an interlock here so that the software knows that the sample module is in place and safely closed before it turns on the voltage to the power to the sample. There can be up to 100 volts on the sample, so you want to be a little careful on it. Okay, so the sample card will mount here. There's a little clip here that holds the sample down, the card down at the bottom, so we just will release that like that. Then we can take this sample card with the sample mounted on it, and it will go into that slot there and snaps into place, and then this comes up and holds the card in place at the bottom. The card can only go in one direction, so it makes sure that the direction is correct, and the alignment pins will make sure that the magnetic field is perpendicular to the sample. Okay, so then the sample goes in there. There's a slot here in the front that tells you this is the front, so you get the orientation correctly. Another one here pushes down, locks in place, and you tighten up these 2 little thumb screws and hold it in place. And there's 9 cables that attach to the system. This cable goes in the middle. It tells the software which sample module is connected, and also what the interlocks so that the safeties on the system work. This is a triax cables that are used for the signal connection. There's 6 signal connections, and there's 2 connections for gate bias connections in your sample. They're numbered with little clips on them, and so you just match the numbers to the number stamped on the sample module. That one's number 1, this one's number 4, etc. You ready to start a measurement?